Well, creating tests, especially end-to-end ones, is notoriously laborsome. So we were curious how would Fume handle it. We got this open source repo called Mern Social from GitHub. Thank you for this repo. And we asked Fume, can you create an end-to-end test for sharing a new post? And we said, hey, we've never written any tests for this project before, so set it up from scratch using Jest. And Fume understood the assignment and looked over the package.json and saw Jest was not installed, so it did that. And after that, it first looked at the relevant code pieces and identified relevant classes, IDs, or any other identifiers it could use to write the tests. Another important part that it identified which APIs were used in the flow that it was required to test, and it created mocks for them. After all of this was done, Fume moved on with creating this new test, and it's here. It's under test folder. I can show you. Here is a new test file that Fume created, and even after creating it, it faced some dependency issues. First, it was some missing dependencies, and then some version conflicts. Some usual stuff an engineer has to deal with every day. And it debugged them very successfully. And at the end, it was able to run the test. But at this time, there were problems with the identifiers. So it went back to the code and changed them, made them more specific. And at the end, the test ran successfully, and Fume gave me the summary of what it did, what were the challenges along the way. And we can just copy and paste the comment that Fume ran and try it for ourselves to see if it actually works. This is Fume's terminal, this is mine. I can just run commands on the studio just to test stuff that Fume did. Apparently the folder name for the tests wasn't just tests, it had 2 underscores at the start and the end. So my first command failed, but then I fixed it and it passed and everything seems fine. This is great, it works.